क्या लगाना है?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, children, good morning. Good morning, class 9.
Yeah, good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Beta, today we'll be doing some prepositions. I've shared on your screen. This you take it as a self-evaluation test. Okay. There are 15 blanks on your screen. Please fill the blanks. Just write the answers. Then I'll speak the answers and you will check yourself and then you will tell me your scores. We have already done prepositions many, many times. So just take it as a self-evaluation test. Okay. You have to just test yourself that where do I stand? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write revision?
You please in your notebooks write revision test. Simply write revision test one, revision test one, and just write the answers. To, in, by, for, since, all these are prepositions. We have already done prepositions many times. Okay, and today let's see. Whichever goes wrong, that means I need to explain that thing to you again. That is why I've taken up today prepositions with you. Hurry up, your time starts now. 15 blanks are there. Finish it and raise your hands. Just raise your hands when you finish. I'll speak the answers and we'll check. Please do it in your notebooks. As it is, you have to post your work.
We have to send in the group.
Yes, of course, I'll tell you. But don't post it on the group as soon as you finish it. Because those who have not finished may actually match the answers. So don't post till I say. Do not post on the group. Otherwise, whoever posts first, everybody will simply take it from there only, the answers. Do not post till I say, children. How much time you think you need for this?
Ma'am, 5 minutes.
5 minutes, ma'am.
Okay. But be careful, huh? Not that in a hurry you do mistakes. That should not happen. And let's not disturb each other very quietly. Start doing and just raise your hands once you finish it. Don't say done. Others get disturbed. Okay, we'll do one thing. Supposing I give you 30 seconds for one blank. Okay, 30 seconds. How many blanks are there?
50.
15. So 30 seconds for each. I think that is needed. That's less than this, you'll not be able to do. So that makes around 7.5 minutes. Let us take it as 7 minutes. Let's cut short those 30 seconds also. Is it okay, children? Chalo, your
Yes,
time
ma'am.
starts now. Your time
Yes,
starts now. Yes, very quiet. Nobody is going to disturb anyone. Nobody will ask me anything. Think that this is a test. If you're not even able to understand the meaning of a word, guess. Because nobody will be helping you in the test also. Try doing it yourself.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of best road?
Yes, dear. Hurry up. Raise your hands. Five students have already done it. Fifteen students have already raised their hands. Okay. And we have 35 students. Not even 50%. This is not even half of all. This is not done, children. Please hurry up. Hurry up, dear. Everybody, please hurry up. How can this be taken better? 50% of the students only. No, please hurry up. Let me discuss the answers with you. Hurry up, beta. Last 1 minute. Yes, children. I'm going to discuss. I'm putting the screen back. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Once we have the screen, I'll discuss the answers with you. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, everybody can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Should we discuss now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Very quickly, you have to tell the answer. Regular exercise is beneficial dash health.
For
For
ma'am.
health.
For
For health.
For health.
For
Very
health.
good. Yes, yes. Let's do it quickly. Let's not waste so much of time. He is best dash mischief.
ma'am, he is bent on mischief.
And he is bent on mischief.
On mischief. On.
Very good. Tell me the third answer.
Ma'am, 2.
On
Ma'am, upon.
Ma'am,
upon.
Spirit
Ma'am,
God has
upon.
bestowed on.
Bestowed
Yes, it is on, beta. It is on. Now the fourth one.
Ma'am, why not upon?
Ma'am, it is
Beta?
upon.
Oh.
Beta?
Upon.
See, listen, upon is used for movement and on is used for what? Stationary. So upon abhi girte hue dikh nahi raha hai. God's blessings. Like we say cat jumped upon the table. जो motion दिखता है, movement हो रहा है, then that is upon.
And the
Yes.
answer is on.
Yes, on, though upon can also be considered. Both can be considered, no doubt. On is better, but upon can be considered. अच्छा अगला बताइए. Very quick. Come on, children. Be quick.
Hypocrite be aware of.
Of.
Aware of him.
Very
Of.
good. Very good.
Of.
Very good. Next.
About.
Hmm?
Both
She
of
boasts
her
of her achievements.
Of.
She boasts of and about, both are correct. Continue next one.
of the indulgent mother is blind of her son's
Ma'am,
fault.
blind to.
Ma'am,
Two.
two.
I'm
The
blind.
indulgent mother is blind to her son's faults. Yes, it is correct. Next. No, not at.
Was born
Blind
to.
to.
Ma'am, what will be the
Born
meaning of
to.
the sentence? I'm born to.
Means the mother जानबूझ के अपने बेटे की गलती नहीं देख रही है. वो जानबूझ के she is acting like blind. मतलब she is not trying to improve her son. गलती करने के बाद भी.
Okay, ma'am.
Next बेटा.
Ma'am, can it be off?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा blind to. This is a phrase actually. इसको change मत करिए. Let's move on to the next one quickly, children.
Two.
Ma'am, he was born to. Ma'am, two.
Next one. Next, quickly.
Ma'am,
For.
Next.
Ma'am, two.
into.
Into.
Yes, it is into. Motion is always into. Very good. It's into. Next.
About.
About.
Yes. Next.
Up.
Up.
Brought up. They brought up the child. Yes, tenderly. Very good. Brought up. Next, 12th.
Ma'am,
Very
over.
good. Over. Very good. Next.
Ma'am, can it be off?
With.
With. He is busy
Yes,
with
with
his
the
studies.
studies. Next, 14th. On the way we called.
At a friend's house.
At a friend's house.
Very good. Very good. This award calls dash a
For.
celebration.
For a
For a celebration.
Yes, very good. It is
For
for
a
a celebration. Good. Okay, tell me now
Ma'am,
very
what
quickly.
was eighth one? Ma'am, correct answer of eighth one.
Tell the answer to the eighth one.
For.
For.
Okay. Now all of you, listen children. All of you will give marks on your sheets and post your work on the group. You have 2 minutes for this. How many out of 15? Post your work on the group and write your marks on the group quickly. 2 minutes for this. Hurry up, please.
Ma'am, I have doubt. Ma'am, in the question, Ma'am, what is the meaning of bestow?
Bestow means to shower, to give.
Sure.
Hurry up, children. Post your work on the group along with your name and marks. Quickly.
Ma'am, for the 12th one, can it be from?
Do not brood over post failures. मतलब जो हो गया उस पे पछताना नहीं है अभी. That is what the sentence means. Children, hurry up. I am on the group.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Beta, all of you,
Ma'am, what is the
keep
correct
sending.
answer
Yes,
of
sir.
Arjun one?
Just raise your hands, those who sent.
Ma'am, what is the correct answer of 15?
4.
Yes, beta, correct.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Now, tell me your marks. One by
Ma'am,
one.
Ma'am, 14 out of
14.
14. Ma'am, 14 out of 14.
Ma'am, 15 out of 15.
Ma'am, 14 out of 15.
Ma'am, 30.
Ma'am,
Okay.
15.
out of 15.
Ma'am, 14.
Fine. Is there anyone who has got less than 12?
No.
Tell me. Anyone who has got less than 12? No? Sure? Everybody's got same?
Ma'am, what is the correct answer of 13?
With.
Check, well, you've written.
With.
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 Correct, it's with. Very good. Okay. So, I feel you were almost fine, very confident with prepositions. Most of you have got 14 or 15. That is nice. This shows that you're well prepared. Okay, good. Very nice, beta. So, I don't think there is much to worry in prepositions. Modals and prepositions and determiners, you people are quite confident here. Good, good. So what were the common prepositions we discussed just now? Into, with, what else? Tell me.
For,
Ma'am,
on,
to,
to,
at,
Ma'am,
for,
for,
into, about, up,
for,
over, with.
Over.
Yes. So we have discussed so many, now. And there was some confusion in on and upon. So on is used for things at rest, and upon is used for things.
Upon is for motion.
The book is lying on the table. Okay. They were sitting in the room. Okay. This is in. The teacher walked into the room. This is into. Same beta. In is used for rest and into is used for motion. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Very good. So remember, on and upon. On is for rest, upon is for motion. In and into. In is for rest, into is for motion. Another exercise for you. Let me hide the answers. Chale, right. Revision test 2. Start. Your work starts now. Quickly. Hurry up. We still have time.
Page?
Yes, beta. Next page. Right. Revision test 2.
Okay, ma'am.
We still have 15 minutes. No, nothing to do. These are how many sentences? 10 sentences. So 5 minutes are sufficient. It's 8:36.
Ma'am, 2
2
minutes are
minutes. Ma'am,
sufficient.
2
Yes,
minutes.
ma'am. 2 minutes.
How
Yes,
can you do it so quickly?
And this
Some
one
of you,
seems too easy.
it's okay. Some of you can do, but not all. Na beta. Chalo quickly. Smart children.
I'm done.
Better just raise your hands so that I get a correct picture how many have done. Let us see how many have finished now.
1 minute.
Okay, hurry up, beta. Huh? Take only 1 minute more.
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
one. Children, last 1 minute only.
Ma'am, it takes only 1 minute to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good. Let's start.
Ma'am, may I speak the first one?
Ma'am, shall we?
Yes, start.
Sheba was born in the year 1985.
Very good. Yes,
They are
now
going to meet at lunch in the afternoon.
very good. Third one, somebody
Try
speak.
not to.
And can it be
Try-
for
Try not
lunch?
to compromise with.
Ma'am, can it be
Beta,
for
third one.
lunch?
And can it be for
Well,
lunch?
with
They are going to meet for lunch in the afternoon is
Ma'am,
also
for lunch.
correct.
Yes,
At
ma'am.
lunch is also okay, for lunch is also.
Ma'am, we can write ma'am after lunch in the afternoon.
For lunch, at lunch, both are correct. Next.
Try not to compromise with your principles.
Very good. Very good. It is with. Next.
My father is
My
very
father
fond of
is
sweets.
very fond of
My
sweets.
father is
Of,
fond of sweets.
of.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it is
of.
off. Yes, beta. Next.
He has
Ma'am,
not
He
yet
has not yet
recovered
recovered
from
from.
his
his
illness.
illness.
Ma'am,
From.
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 Very good. Very good. It is from. Correct.
Ma'am,
Next.
He
No, it
rules
is not.
over a vast empire.
Vast.
Over.
He rules over a vast
He
empire.
rules
Is
over a
correct.
vast empire.
Next.
I have not
Not
slept
slept.
since
I
yesterday.
have not slept yesterday.
Ma'am,
I
from
have
yesterday.
not
Yes, beta. It is
slept
since
from.
yesterday. Very good. Since yesterday.
The,
Next one.
Ma'am, can
the
it be
man
from?
walked into the house.
Walked into.
Into the house.
Very good. We just
I'm
talked
into
about
the
that.
house.
Yes.
First
We just
half.
said now motion is into. Very good. Into the house.
The sweets were distributed among the children at the
Among the
party.
children at the party.
Among.
Yes, beta. What did you say? I did not understand.
Ma'am,
Please
among. Ma'am, among.
Very, very
Ma'am,
good. Because see, beta, between is used for two. And obviously, if it's a party, so there are more than two. So it's going to be among. Very good. Next.
Rajesh
Rajesh
has returned almost
after a month.
after.
Almost after a month.
Has returned almost after a month. Very good. Good. In a month, within a month is also possible. So can I
Ma'am,
have your
can
scores?
Jeevan be from?
I have not slept from yesterday. No, this is wrong. Yes. Tell me the scores, children.
Man, 10
Ma'am,
out of
cool.
10.
Ma'am,
10
10.
of 10.
Somebody said 4.
9.
10 on 10.
Somebody said
Ma'am,
no, no. Did someone get 4?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then it's okay. I thought somebody said 4. I was really worried. I said, how can it be?
Ma'am, ma'am, ninth one can be 2?
The sweets were distributed to the children at the party. Yes, this can also be taken. Yes.
Then what is
This
first
ma'am,
can
in
be.
the second
I got
answer,
full.
ma'am, can it be after?
Which one?
Ma'am, in second one, ma'am, they are going to meet after the lunch in afternoon.
They're going to meet after lunch. After is not a preposition, no?
Then
Okay.
what is first word?
Grammatically, it is correct. Grammatically, it is correct. But when we say preposition, then fill only preposition.
Remember why in the J statement we have used after?
J, we have not used after. Rajesh has returned almost in a month or within a month. That is what I told you when I discussed the answers. In a month or within a month.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the difference between in and within? When I say in a month, Rajesh has come in a month. मतलब पूरा month finish होने के बाद आए. And when I say within a month, मतलब
Ma'am,
1
in
month
between.
पूरा होने से, yeah, before the 1 month got over, he came. So understand the difference between in and within also. In means at the last, after timeline. And within means before the time finished, that is within. Okay, let's have this. Orally,
Ma'am,
we'll do
what
this.
was of that after the second one? Ma'am, correct
I
answer.
don't know if somebody can help the child. Is
Which
there
one?
someone who can help?
Which question?
Second one.
Second is at.
At or for.
Yeah.
At can be taken, for can be taken. Okay, let's do this orally. We don't have much time. So let's not write. You plan your answers orally and then we'll discuss. Okay, just plan your answers orally. I'll give you 1 minute. Plan it orally.
Ma'am, do we have to post revision test to
You have to just plan it orally. You don't have to write. Raise your hands, those who are ready.
Ma'am, we had to send the pic of revision test 2 also.
Yes, Peter. Let's discuss the answers. Okay. Let's do it very quickly. We have a few minutes left. Anji, Raman fell dash the read.
On Raman
On
fell
the
on
One
the
minute.
soft grass
On the
on his
soft
way
grass.
back
Ma'am, on the
On
soft
his
grass.
way back home
From school
from
at
school.
at 4
at 4 p.m.
Yes, it is off OFF. On his way back home from school at 4 p.m. Second,
I would
I
like
would
to
like
help her
to
in her
help
study
her
as
with
she
I
has a
would
test
like
on
to help
Monday.
her in her
Studies
study
as she has her test on Monday.
Monday.
very next one. Hurry up, hurry up. C1,
He is
C1.
the thief the police were looking
We're
for.
looking for.
The
Looking
police
for.
I'm
were
looking for.
Good. Good. Next.
Cheating was being done
Cheating
On
was
the
being done
at the.
on the very
very
nose
good.
of the
On.
invigilator.
On the
Ma'am,
very
can it
nose.
be at the very nose?
You can take at also
Yes,
because we are
ma'am.
being very specific. Yes, next one. Quickly, we have only 1 minute, 1.5 minute. Next.
Against. This is difficult work and is against his capacity.
Okay, next.
He goes to his office by foot,
Office
but
on foot.
sometimes
by
he goes by cycle also.
Bicycle.
On foot by cycle also. Very good.
Yes,
Next.
Make sure
Make
that
sure that when I return the
room
doom
is
is free of
locked.
dirt.
Very
Free
good.
of.
Next, the H1, very nice. Rajan fell straight.
Rajan
in a
fell
ditch.
straight into a ditch and
could
could
not
not get out
could not
Yes.
get out
on
from
Very
on his own.
it
By his
Very
own.
good.
his
Very
phone.
good. Into a ditch. Good. Then last Ivan. The
The
guest.
guests preferred vegetarian food over non-vegetarian food, so the cook prepared a dish made from fresh vegetables with aromatic spices.
Yes. From fresh vegetables with aromatic spices. Very good. Last one now. She went
She
and
went
sat.
and sat with her
She went
grandmother
and sat
Grandmother.
beside her
to
grandmother to listen to a story.
She went and
and listened
sat
to a
listen to
story.
a story.
beside her grandmother to
To listen to a
Listen
story.
to a story.
Excellent. This was not a test. So hardly 30 seconds left now. It's time of your break, beta. I will not take that. Chalo. God bless you all. Let's meet tomorrow. Okay.
Ma'am,
Bye,
the
beta.
last one, can it be with?
Sat with her grandmother.